All right, today is September 6th, September 6th. We had non-farm payroll today at 8:30, and that's it. Let's take a look at our learning P&L. Always looking for confluencies, playing the PDA array game, looking at liquidity, got all that taken care of. Internal, we're looking at that premium, AMD over row equal highs, lows, process. This is very important. Remaining present is what our goals are for today. And behavioral goal is BM activation, mitigate anxiety, and close screen or walk away. I'm doing better on that. Looking for five counter runs into draw liquidity or trace, then a fair value gap in opposite direction. Five counter run up, or look for retracement. Five counter run, then a fair value gap in opposite direction. Displacement moving up higher. Our rejection blocks. Identify next strong liquidity. PD raise to support the move always. Identify macros. Been doing a good job at that. All right, so here we are on a daily. Dixie run up, coming down. Uh, so I'm not sure where odds will trade it. I had the idea that we would hold up here, but it's not true. We have this breakaway gap here, so that was there present yesterday. So we're in between this inefficiency here and this inefficiency here. We have this nice little wick here, so we'll see what comes of it today. All right, so looking for our. So we're still bearish. Still playing around with this volume, this fair value gap. We traded through it today. Still have OT down here. Little daily volume balances down there. So just moving around. It's expected after this huge run down here. Do. Moving around. So we'll see. We had relatively high lows down here that was taken out. And we almost have relatively highs up here as well. So it's 15-minute order block. And we have this right here. What is this? Uh, so we could take this. Well, put this here. ICT is live, so I'm listening on what he has to say. He's teaching. So I'll just go through this recording um, later, but I'm gonna just listen in ICT right now. So yeah, some form of accumulation, manipulation, one, two, three, kind of four or five kind of run down. So now we're looking up, looking to go higher. And we have this. So that's what I'm looking at, drawing liquidity. Look at the buyers are respecting that fair value gap there on the 4 hour, or on the daily. So I'm bullish for this hourly risiness. All right, take weekly off, keep daily on, take 15 off. Here's hourly, belongs in here. So let's see how we, this is yesterday, 12. I was gone by then. See how that buyer's respecting cost per crush from there? And we kind of get like a model 14 there. I had that marked out. Me, we have a inverse fair value gap right here. Buyer's respecting. So we could have a retracement back in here. Yeah, this inverse right here. So the idea is that we can, you have this low, high, lower, low. One, two, three, four. No five kind of run really. But we do come to the low, this higher time frame, fair value gap, inverse this, as well as 4 hour accumulation, manipulation, could very well have distribution run up to that up higher. And I want to look at this one here. 2.5 is here, 4 cent is just here, kind of lining up with this 4 hour buy side liquidity that we kept running into. So I'll keep this line on here. This is a valid line. Daily constant encroachment. Um, so we have some targets that we can move up into for where we are right now. This is some good moves. That's if we can get up there, right? Um, so yeah, um, so seek this globally. Mhm. So like that, right? Fair rate gap's open now. In a new hour, we will upward trade entry this year. Given that we're on the buy side of the curve, now we want to trade from low to high, see retracements. Not really interested in this year. hmm So this is a data low here. Data high taken. London lows, Rotigo lows on here. Right. It's low in the day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take out this side here, inefficient here. Boom. Just curious. How that lines out there. Boom, fours here. Um, shit's here. Yeah, that's all good. Just looking at this wick here. So this is pretty theory. Just looking for confluencies. It's not something really that I will trust, but yeah, that's all good. Um, except for our order block here, right in alignment with the midnight open. So that's interesting. All right. So I'm bullish today. Southwest trade entry in this initial range here. So we decide this as OT. Want to take a listen to this. As here, ASOS here, ASOS here, on 15. As well as up here on 15. So it's almost like relative highs up here. All right, let's make sense of this here. Get rid of this. This is 9 p.m. yesterday. Why were we looking at this yesterday? I don't know. Here is, what is this? Here's how it works. This is from September 4th, so we're inside it right now. Daily levels. Right, so looking at regular trading hours, so we closed yesterday, closed right here yesterday. Yeah, I don't know where we are right now. It's all overlap. See? Luger LT is lining up with the previous day close. Interesting. One, two, three, four. So this could be a reversal, or rather a retracement, right? It's a valid retracement. Yeah, that's interesting. I would like to think I'm bullish on the day, but if we can get through this on a 4 hour, maybe retrace back down into down here, right? Yep, 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 yep. Damn it. I want this on the other screen. Whatever. All right. So we have some other orgs here that we're just jumping into. We have this here. We have this here, and we have what we're looking at right now. So a lot of orgs that we're just jumping inside of. So could be a lot of consolidate, a lot of congestion. Still a lot of moving around between these previous ranges here. So I'm just gonna turn this off for right now, and then focus on this daily fair value gap that we're on top of right now. hmm When standard deviation is boom, you the opening gap here. So as far as setups, getting optical trade entry here, I don't see any market maker models. We just had data. So yep, do have a bunch of stuff on the charts this year. Here's optical trade entry with these sides up here. So I'll just mark this out right here. Just OT, 15-minute OT. So that's our known. That there, that there. Now we're just consolidating on top of this daily volume and fair value gap, as well as this new day opening gap here. And then we have some more new day opening gaps above us. See, any fair value gaps, this one was created right during the quarterly shift, but all this is consolidation. Therefore, I don't want any parts of it. There we go. So we have these highs here. Markets open. You have all that up there. See this swing low here? Scenario where we can very well draw into. This here, we'll just, let's think it globally, but I want this over here. Oh, that's our order block. See, this is, it's our order block right here on the 4 hour. It's in a premium though, so maybe you drop down and come back up, use it as support. Very good. All right, market's open. Why is, okay, there you go. Came right to 50%. 15, no 5 counter runs up, except for here. Boom, look at that. You- Immediate rebounds right at the high of the daily fair value gap and low of the org. OTE lines up with the reclose yesterday. Interesting. Which OB is this? Giveaway here on the 5. 5 minute bull short block. Prefer to take this one though. But this is also valid. Smaller inefficiency here. Oh, bearish order block, right? Is so we're still bullish on the 15. So any movement down is just a retracement, and you just buy in whatever immediate discount range that we're in. So from like here to here, see that? Boom, to the T. See that bullish order block lines up nicely with it. And how many run? How many points is this? Jesus, 50 points. That's how we went to constant encroachment. So now we're coming down. One, two, three. Maybe get a five kind of run down. This is 50-minute, or right here, or right here. So you're asking like, why didn't we go up higher? And here's your market structure shift right here. Stage one, stage two, and do you have any projections downward? We could look at this one here. So 2.5 is here too. So maybe you get a drawn liquidity here. We'll see. Maybe come for these data lows down here. We do have this bullish order block right here on the five. So took out sell side here. Get rid of that. Obvious target. And then you're looking at from here to here. I thought we looked at this already. Bodies are not respecting. That's another thing we got to look at. We got to allow for these wicks to come in here. Bearish for the block. You called it out. This bearish order block is respecting. This is all this here is just an inverse fair value gap as well as mean threshold of constant precaution of the org. Here's four down here, three. Oh, right here. There we go. All this is like retracement, right? Like this is bearish retracement on the 1 minute to take us deeper into deeper discount on the higher time frame. That's what you want to see. So this here could become a bullish for the block. This here could become a bullish for the block, but we had to cross above it for that to happen. But it's good that you see this as a bullish for the block. So if I'm in a bullish short block, see what happens. Here's our projection of this bearish short block right here. One, one, two, three. Coming for these data lows. Coming to the lowest daily fair value gap. That's forced standard deviation of this bullish short block here. So this is a valid entry. We're on the 15 now, looking for a potential inverse fair value gap. We may meander around here, but we'll see. Let's see how bodies respect this on the 15. What's going on with the hourly? Hourly bullet shorter block right here. That looks good. So entering here is valid. I didn't call it out earlier, but I want to see us move below this or above this. So let's see here. Where we get out at? Oh, that's good enough for me. These wicks, 200 points. This isn't 200 bars. Yeah, it's just 70, 71. Why isn't this working? It used to work. I don't know why it's not working now. There it is. Boom here. All right, so this would be my target here, right? And then we have also, given that we did hit our higher time frame objective, I would want to see this OT range here get broken, or at least we run up in here, then come back down, maybe constant encroachment here of the daily volume imbalance and or fair value gap and continue moving up higher. See how body's respecting this perfectly. 50-minute order block, as well as this wick here on the 5 bullish order block. Boom. So we get a 5 kind of run into the OTE. I'm not looking to go short. I want to go long or remain in my long position. Again, market structure shift here. Stage one, stage two, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You don't say, right? You can run in here as our target, get out. His cost per coach for others inefficiency here. So we come right down to 4. I don't see any model 14s. What else are we supposed to be looking for? Uh, so that's good. 1, 2, 3. All right, pause right here above. Means consequential of the fair value gap on the daily. And now we're in a new quarterly shift, Q4. 10 o'clock is right over here. Some macros right over here. So we'd have to look for a macro. You have a wake here on the 15. See what came out this 15-minute optical trade entry. Still moving up. So what do we do here? Just came down into some efficiency just to balance that out. Relative equal highs up here. See that accumulation, manipulation, distribution. And yeah, we can do this. Takes us way up there. That's a 15 though. See this inefficiency here? Breakaway gap. That's good. That's what we want to see. Drawing liquidity. Fair value gap to come out on the other side of it. One, two, three, four. Ooh, look how we hit this optical trade entry. You don't say. Came close to the first fair value gap on the day. This may be a bear short block. One, one, two. Let's see. I like how we respect this. Yeah, we come down to this bull short block. Boom. Then we run up to optical trade entry. This range here. Boom. Now retracement down to where? Here's constant encroachment. Or yeah. Boom. Fair value gap down in here. We'll see. But I would have been out by now. I would have probably gotten in right here. Probably gotten out right here. That's good. Coming into 5 candle run here. One, two, three, four, five. So bears are still in control. Constant encroachment. 15-minute constant encroachment of this wick here. as well as 5 minute bull shorter block right here, 15-minute obstacle short entry. Let's see what makes of it. I see this wick here on the 5. We do have these data lows down here that we may want to reach for. Here's your 5 candle run. Yeah, we have this wick here on the 5. 5 candle run into it. And we are in a discount. We got all this here. Buyers respecting this inefficiency here. Here, dipped into this fair value gap here. Let's see if we can displace below it. Relative highs up here. Yeah, looks like we're not. So this is a quarterly shift, and we are officially in a new micro, right? So we're in a new micro. So here we are, probably coming for this level down here. See how we had this quarterly shift. Boom, reversal. See, quarterly shift and optical trade entry. I know we had this down here in here somewhere. So it's in our paper. So we do have that set up in there somewhere. Like a drawn liquidity at a quarterly shift. So right at the start of it, boom, right there. Optical trade entry right there. So run up in here, short there, get out there. I would rather come down here, right? Down here would be better. This data low would be awesome. Uh, and again, you'd be thinking like, hey, we have all this here. Like on the 15, it could come down here and hit on the 15, go below it, as long as the body goes above it. See how the body goes above this here? See the bodies just open up here, run up. So look at this, it's perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pause. Could this be accumulation, manipulation? If these Peter rays get broken through, we're coming for here, we're coming for here. Right, it's the PDA ray game. We do have a breakaway gap forming on the 15 here. See how we just ran into this inefficient here? Almost out the trade entry on the 4 hour here. Da-na-na-na-na-na. Na-na-na-na-na-na. Ooh, look at that. Na-na-na-na-na-na. So you can stay in on this trade. You know, that this was the end of the market maker model. Then we trace back into this price like here. One, two, three, four, five. Run up, optical trade entry. One, two, three, four, five. Pause. So let's see. You know, if we are short here, putting our stop loss right here, see what happens. We could work through it. But again, this is one of those 50-50 moments. It's like we have this gap here. We just try to do it. Are we gonna close below it? 2 minutes left. Oh, bearish red block right here. We're rather propulsion block here. Let's see. So reclaim order block. You know, I don't know. I want to take that off. This 15-minute order block, 15-minute fair value gap here, or OT. Looks like we used that already. We'll take that off. And then we have this 15-minute constant encroachment right here. We just blew through that. So let's see if we close above it in the next couple of minutes. But I like this propulsion block right here. We're at the low of this daily fair value gap. So let's see. I was bullish coming in on the day. Was it correct? And some can see this here. Boom, move up without getting stage two, without going to our projection. And that's fine. Close above here, maybe hit down here, take that. And that's where you get in. But you don't have to get in here. You can. This was a nice little move. But we had this bearish order block here, which we called out. And, we have model 14 right here, which we missed. It's all good. At the highest fair value gap. Boom, boom. Look at these points here. Look at this. So you're valid in thinking, hey, we could be long here. We thought we saw that 4 hour inverse fair value gap. This wasn't inverse, so my bad. Uh, and yeah, we were here thinking, all right, we're just moving around, meandering around. I thought we had accumulation, manipulation, distribution. And we kind of had that set up yesterday, like right here, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. But this could be accumulation, manipulation, distribution. By the way it's looking. So yeah, we're still coming down lower. Look at that. Look where we closed there. There we go. Took out the data lows as requested. Boom, and we're out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe. High time frame. That's good. We had this projection here. Boom. Run up. Dip into here. Up the trade entry. This 4 hour order block here. I don't think it is anymore. Yeah, it isn't. So good anticipation. Good anticipation. Good anticipation. See low here. Me threshold. See we can move in here, which we kind of already did. Boom. You have another wick here, possibly. But this is the next round of equity. This is a volume imbalance on the daily. See? See right there. And we also have this wick here, which we just came down to perfectly. Boom. Oh, we have these Rotigo lows on here. Blasphemy. You don't have them on your chart? This could be our last leg of the market maker model on the one. I was seeing this as market structure shift here. Stage one, stage two, stage three. No, well, yeah, stage two. We come down here, stage one, boom. Could get like a stage two here. And we are inside of this macro, which I said, inside of macro, cover for here, here. Stop loss will be right here. Bearish or black. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, mm, mm. All right, so this is part of the day where things just slow down. It's beautiful price action. Inverse per value gap, higher time frame, OTE, the trade entry, boom, set the 9:30 open. Uh, so I guess I mean, you do a very good job on higher time frame, less candles, quote unquote. You may want to like reduce the amount that you're looking at on the 1 minute because these moves right here, it's exactly the same moves on the 5 and the 15. We're gonna work our way down and start getting these moves because they're just perfect like this here. All right, so what happened here? We have a drawn liquidity, very close to this here, relative good lows on here. So this fast up, boom. All right, are we going any lower? No, we just took out liquidity. So now we're moving up higher. Maybe this is how I should do it. Like put it close to my mouth. See that? Boom. Does this mean we're gonna run up higher? No. But what do you have here? One, two, three, four. We don't have clear fives. We have one, two, three. This is stuck within this range, just like how this overlaps this range. 4 or 5. So we'll see. Order block. Should we over now and in the quarterly shift? Still within this macro. Now we're out of it. See how the trade entry here is supporting. See what comes of it. accumulation, manipulation, inverse value gap here, distribution, and we took out all the discount PD arrays here. Just bounced right in that, got this nice retracement up, but higher time frame is still bearish, so this is expected to happen. And optical trend entry here, optical trend entry this here, almost here. I mean, this is the first one, but we also that there. Look at that there. Look at that. So we might be just accumulating down here, waiting for, I don't know, maybe quarter shift here, 10:30, drop down lower. I don't know. This is my problem with ISBT. He talking about his order blocks. He talking about you gotta take the last series order blocks before, or you have to. And he said, I know you guys think it's the last order block, but not the series order blocks. Because I thought about that, because I get people to place drives me. But there's specific times when you use it, not all the time. So it's like, nigga, how are you gonna teach us some shit? Then you give us all the information and expect the motherfucker to do well at it. That's like me teaching how to fling a bat, but I don't teach you how to hold the bat. How the fuck am I supposed to be doing it? Like, this nigga sound like, what do you know? What do you know? Boom, target hit. Wow. Okay. Accumulation, manipulation. That's gonna be the case. So you have five can run on the 15. One, two, three, four, five. Boom. Five imbalance. So let's see what comes up of that. We could come down here. It says for standard deviation projection of this breakaway gap. And now we are in a new quarter. Boom. I like how this one standard deviation of this range here lines up with four standard deviations right here, just above it. And boom, hit that volume balance. Boom, 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 out. What can we expect now? Accumulation, manipulation. We can very well run up for the rest of the day here. You can buy right here, boom, buy. See? See that there? Then we have this wick here. Anyways, that's it for me for today. Very good job, Tracy. Very good job. We'll review this and go from there. But yeah, we're just a few points away from this, like 15 points. So, good. We caught this entire move. Mhm. Wow. Why? Because we had this breakaway gap here. One, two, three, four.